Hello students, greetings of the day. Today, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has released admit cards of CA Foundation, CA Inter and CA Final for December 2021 attempt. So students can log into the exam portal with the address icaiexam.icai.org, and once the website gets opened, you can just click on login or register tab here and you can enter your login ID and password and follow the instructions given by the website so that you can easily download the admit card. And as the admit cards are released today, there may be heavy traffic flow to the website, so immediately the website may not respond. So just wait for some time so that you can easily download your admit card. And shortly we also make a detailed video on how to download the admit card with a step-by-step procedure. Thank you.